gonna show you how I achieved this look right here. This is a nice white graphic eyeliner that can be used every day. Goes on every outfit, looks super nice, and yeah, I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to get this done. Keep watching. Okay, so guys, I've got my base makeup done. So I've got some blush and foundation, contour, eyebrows. So what we need to do is get into our eyes. Okay, so for starters, I am going to just put a light brown shade in my eyes so that, like, you know, it has a nice even tone. Alright, so for starters, I'm gonna go into this color right here. This color right here. It's a very neutral brown beige shade. So yeah, I'm just gonna slap it all over the eyelid. Like, I'm gonna take it all the way up to my brow bone as well. In today's eye look, the focus is completely on the eyeliner, so the eyeshadow doesn't really, the eyeshadow just helps as a base basically. And this is a very simple eye look. You can literally achieve it like every day. Okay, so now that I'm done with applying this brown shade on my crease, I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm using this eyeliner right here. It is the Colorbar eyeliner. I like this eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. I like it. It's waterproof and everything. I just don't like the applicator. It's very thick and stubby. Like, I don't get a crisp line. You know, when I need a crisp line. See, if you can see the wand is very stubby. Like, can you see it? Yeah. So the wand is very stubby. You need a little, it's not for beginners. You need a little practice when you use this. Yeah, so anyways, I'm just gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna keep it very close to my lash line. Whew. Like, to be honest, if I had a finer tip eyeliner, I would have been done by now. But just because this tip is kind of hard, it's not even, like, you know, very smooth or something. It's hard and it's quite stiff. It doesn't, like, you know, bend where you want it to bend. It's not flexible. So yeah, I have drawn the black wing. Now for the fun part, I'm going to move into the white eyeliner. Okay, so for the white eyeliner, you can use eyeshadow, but I am going with this liquid dip eyeliner from Voste. I believe I got this eyeliner when I was shopping around Purple. So yeah, this is in the shade 02 Soft Snow. Yeah, I shook it. Don't forget to always shake your eyeliners. And yeah, let us draw a wing. So basically, I'm just gonna trace the white eyeliner, the black eyeliner. Ooh. Looks so good, yeah. Since this eyeliner is a little transparent, I'm gonna go in with the second coat so that it's a little opaque. Oh, there's something stuck to the brush. Disgusting. Okay. So basically the second coat just ensures the opacity, like it's even, like it's like white, you know. The second coat is mainly for that, that it's white in your face. And always take support, like I'm taking my support of my table. And yeah, we're done with this eye. If you can see how yum it looks. Okay, let's move on to the other. So once you get your black eyeliner done, doing the white eyeliner is fairly easy. Okay, so for now, I want to create an inner wing, but using the white eyeliner. So, um, let us see how I'm going to achieve that. Now let's go on with the other eye. And we're done with our white eyeliner. Now let's go on with some eyelashes. Basically for lashes, first I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going in with this mascara right here. And mascara is done, although I have non-existing lashes, so you really can't see where the lashes are. Regardless, I am also going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna finish most of my makeup. I'm gonna decide whether I'm gonna go in with some false eyelashes. You can definitely go in with some false eyelashes. It pops up the entire eyes. But I'm gonna see whether I'm gonna use some false eyelashes, and I'm gonna just do my whole makeup and be right back. Hey guys, and this is the final look. I mean, this look is really cute. It's really, like, you know, it has this graphic liner and it's very fun, and it was really easy to achieve as well. It's super easy to get done, like as you saw, like just do your own base makeup. It can go with any lip combo, by the way. You don't need to use the same lip combo that I have used, but you can put any lipstick, and this look goes with every outfit. It's a nice, quirky, cute you know, look. And yeah, if you like this whole tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.